my YouTube family. Okay, so as y'all can see, I'm in the closet right now. You know what, the mess? It's early in the morning. Hello, obviously you can tell I ain't got no makeup on. I got my morning face looking bad. Anyways, it's morning and I'm about to prank Hey Mr. DJ today. Okay, don't play. And you already know who's in his house. It's your girls here with the garden. Hey, up in his beach. Yes, y'all. As y'all can see at the title down below, what I'm about to do. But we get down to the details. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification, ding boo ding, so you can be notified every time all of us drop bangers. I'm trying to be quiet, y'all, so if y'all see that I'm whispering, that's because I'm trying to be extra quiet. So I'm about to prank DJ right now. He's still asleep and I'm asleep next to him, right? I'm about to crawl into bed and I'm gonna do excessive snoring. I'm snoring loud, boo, like I crack myself up, y'all. So let's get down to the prank. I'm about to set up the camera and I'm gonna turn it on and then I'm gonna lay in the bed and y'all about to see his reaction. Let's get to it, boo.
Noise, man. It's too early for that shit. Snoring and stuff. Goddamn cat. Hey.
What?
They snoring too loud. It's too early. Close your
Hey,
mouth.
what is snoring? I don't know what you're talking about.
Damn, man. Come on now. You go take your ass to the hospital for that shit. You have a heart attack or asthma attack or something. Shut up. Shit.
Disturbing me.
You go to sleep. Good shit, man. Damn. Dog, come on. Hey.
What?
Bro, shut up, man. God damn, for real, shut up. You too loud.
Leave me alone. I'm trying to sleep.
I'm trying to sleep too. Shit, damn, I'm fucking tired, man. You waking me up out of a whole dream. What the hell I'm dreaming to hear you snoring? Shut the fuck up. Damn. Damn. It's cold in here. You left the goddamn AC on all last night? 30 degrees in this house, man. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Sleep.
Hey!
God dang, I told you shut up. Shit.
Babe,
What?
I can't sleep now.
Why?
Cause.
You probably can't sleep because you too damn loud for yourself. Go to sleep. Snoring and shit, I can smell your damn breath from all the way over here. Damn.
Alright, let me go back to bed. Hey, I'm just playing the prank. It's
Sarah,
a prank.
I'm gonna spank your ass like a baby right now.
It's a prank.
Okay, let's do a prank then. Okay, I'm sleep.
It's a prank.
Damn, dog. You be playing too much with them pranks, man. Come on now, I'm trying to sleep. Nigga, sleepy, bro. I'm sleepy. I wanna go sleep now. That's it. I wanna drool. I wanna dream. Have wet dreams every day. I wanna sleep.
It's a prank.
Okay, stop fucking with me.
What? Come on.
Damn, dog. Come on now.
Team there all day, every day.
Shit.
Team there all day, every day. Y'all know that was a banger! And you already know who's in the house. You already know who did a damn thing. I gotta do mine. You already know who it is. It's your girl, Sarah with the guy.
Shut up.
Hey.
Come on now. I'm trying to sleep. I don't want to do the YouTube. Go to
Oh
sleep.
my God, why you all in your business?
Go to
What's
sleep.
the problem?
Damn, dog. You got me on camera with all this shit early in the morning. Go to sleep.
Man, go to bed.
Go to bed.
Tripping.
Tripping.
You tripping.
Oh, you know you don't mess with black folk when they don't sleep. This is
All right, oh my God,